Hello everyone. Today, well, I'm at MG Autotech and I'm putting the kind of last finishing touches to this. Literally, she runs and drives. All we need to do, or I say we, it's not we, it's Mark and Kenny, and then they're going to be sorting out some water lines. But she runs and well, a couple of little things that need finished off, but hopefully it should be done in the next couple of days. But I'm here to do a couple of things. A little bit of heat wrapping and a few other odds and sods I've got. So I'm going to get started. Heat wrap all wet and ready to go on. This stops also gloves because this stuff just covers you in little fiberglass splinters. So time to get wrapping. It's going to be boring as hell. Time to get the bottom ones done. I'm just going to heat wrap done the top bit, round up to these V's. You should really try and get in there, but I need to pull the whole thing off, so at the moment I'm not. I'm going to leave that. So heat wrap there, heat wrap there. Right. So this time I'm going to roll it all up. So I get a nice ball, so I don't have to kind of just like wrap that big tangled mess around. This time I got on the roll. The last time I had already unraveled the stuff and cut it and put it on, and then but put it on dry, and then the guys were like, no, you need to put that on wet, so I unraveled it. So this should make it easier, just like dumping it in the water and letting it get wet. Get wet. So now, unraveling it's going to be way easier. Right. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it, so do it like this. This is probably going to be a bit unwieldy getting it around there, but if you have it unwrapped like this, you can kind of unroll it, whereas if you have it wrapped like that, it's a bit more difficult. So that way around is the plan. Unwrapped manifold. Nice to get in these, but not at the moment. They need to come off. It would have been way easier to all this to come off, but car's almost there. Not pulling loads of shit off at the moment, so right. Job done. Yes. So there. Should fit as well because it's the same one. This should be easy. That real Japanese shit. Standard. Right. They pop in there. And then look what we've got here. That hole. And then these kind of fit in there somehow. Better make it fit. Right, just get a couple of these on, just to hold it loosely in place. Come on. Washer, and like that. There we go. Now, work it out. So the height is right. So I think that's too high. too high. Go down. See where that kind of sits. Still too high. Oops. Right. That's about right. Hi Kenny. Is it fit? Is it fit?
Is it fit? It just needs moved out. It just needs moved out now.
So we go down a bit.
Hold it a wee bit tighter, I think. Could be hay and all the organised bits and pieces. Right, well, not too much.
Go down. Oh, do you think that's too much?
No. That isn't something plugged up. No, we need to go further.
Further down. Right. This could be perfect. Oh, that looked good.
It's not bad, it needs...
Hang on, put it up.
You see your rubbery...
Where's the rubber bit?
Your rubber bit. Oh no, is that right there?
There it is. Oh,
That's pretty...
once and a couple more bolts in there, maybe a washer.